Hi, it's Michael from Planet Naturopath, and I'm excited to show you today the seed probiotic. It's actually got it in the mail, and let's just open it up and we'll see what we've got in here. We got your back. So this is a light-proof glass container. So the idea is you reuse this container, and we get refills to fill it up. So it's a subscription model. So it's an ideal one to take on an ongoing basis. We've got a travel pack. So this can fit 14 capsules in, so we can, if you're going away for a week, you can take your bacteria with you. The packaging is all recyclable. This is actually made from mushrooms. And so one of the big things about the seed company is their environmental sustainability mission. So this fully decomposes in the compost in 30 days. And here we've got everything about the probiotic. We'll go into that in a little bit more detail. So let's have a look at the refill packet. Once again, the packaging it comes in is fully compostable. As with this, even though it looks like a foil, it's a fully compostable packet. So this is like, it keeps it sealed, and this is another month's supply of capsules here at 2 a day. So there's a male and a female version of this probiotic. In fact, it's called a Synbiotic because it has a prebiotic and a probiotic in the one capsule. There's actually a capsule inside this capsule. So there's one thing having the beneficial bacteria, but it has to get to the large intestine to do its job. So what makes seed so special? There's 38 trillion bacteria in our guts, and this is only 58 billion. There are so many studies out there showing that probiotics are effective, and the most important thing is that these studies, they must be in human subjects and not in animals. There's so many probiotic studies on mice and everything like that, but that's, it's irrelevant to you or me. So our bacteria help with digestion of food, synthesis of vitamins, reducing inflammation, oxidative stress, and even the synthesis of neurotransmitters. That's why your digestive function has such a big effect on mood. I've seen many clients who have addressed their bacterial issues or their gut issues, and things like anxiety and depression have disappeared. So there's so many different types of bacteria, and there's so many studies on bacteria. There's actually 75,000 studies on PubMed with probiotics. Some of them are amazingly effective in certain areas. Some of them have shown no benefit at all. And a lot of people have heard of things like lactobacillus, but lactobacillus is like the genus. It's like saying dog. And then there's lots of different species of dogs, and that's like, there's a type of probiotic called Lactobacillus plantarum, and it's a very effective strain of bacteria. There's actual individual species of that. You don't want to just take Lactobacillus plantarum, you want the right strain. So there's one called SDLP1IT. I'm not sure who comes up with these names, but that's one of the number of strains that have been shown to be very effective in human research. So you don't want to just see a probiotic supplement with Lactobacillus plantarum. You definitely don't want to see Lactobacillus. It's like having a dog. Like, there's so many different species of dogs, and you wouldn't want to get a poodle to be a guard dog. You want a German Shepherd. You want a Labrador to be a guide dog. And for a little old lady, you wouldn't give her a German Shepherd to look after. You'd give her a little fluffy dog. So you can see there's so many different types of probiotics. It's not just a matter of taking any probiotic, you want to take the right probiotic. So while probiotics have been shown to show benefits in improving our health, do they actually change our microbiome? We've all heard of, we've got 38 trillion bacteria. Is taking a probiotic supplement with 60 million in there going to make much of a difference? Well, not really. It's actually prebiotics that will change the bacterial makeup in a major way. But probiotics still have benefits on a surface level, improve things like gut barrier function, so prevent leaky gut. So the seed probiotic actually has a prebiotic in it. So there's 2 capsules. There's one capsule with the probiotic inside, another capsule with the prebiotic. So the prebiotic helps to feed the bacteria to amplify its effect. And the double capsule technology enables the bacteria to get to the large intestine where you want it to work. You don't want the capsule to open up in the stomach or the small intestine. You want to get to the large intestine. So the seed probiotic has been developed by some of the leading scientists in probiotics and microbiome research from around the world. So all the strains in here have been validated in clinical trials using human subjects. There's lots of trials using mice. It doesn't mean it's going to work in humans. So it's important to make sure you know the right, not just the right species, but the right strain. So the seed probiotic is designed to take on a long-term basis. So you can just buy one bottle, or you can get it on a subscription basis, and I'll just keep sending you that refill packet every month. And there's a male and a female version. The female version is slightly different. It has bacteria to help folate synthesis, which is important for fertility and pregnancy health, and also some strains to help with skin health as well. So you can get this from www.seed.com. If you use the word or the coupon code PLANET, I've organized a discount code. And yeah, good luck with your first subscription, and let me know how you go.